Diversity in living world. Diversity or biodiversity represents variation in living organisms with reference to number, forms, that is shape, size, color, etc. present on earth. In term biodiversity, bios means living organisms, diverse means forms. For example, plants, animals, microbes, etc. Different kinds of plants, animals, and microbes living in different habitats like water, land, forest, desert, plateau are referred to as biodiversity of earth. Diversity in living world. According to IUCN, that is International Union of Conservation of Nature and Natural Resources, scientifically known or discovered organisms is equal to 1.7 to 1.8 millions. Animals diversity 1.25 millions. Plant diversity 0.55 millions. Estimated or predicted variety of organisms 5 to 30 millions. According to John Ray, 7 millions. In animals, insect varieties are more, and in plants, angiosperms are more. Scientists developed two main methods that make study of huge variety of living organisms easy and simple. Number one, taxonomy. In Greek, taxis means arrangement, nomos means law. Taxonomy deals with characterization, identification, nomenclature, and classification of organisms based on easily observable characters. Term taxonomy given by scientist A. P. de Candolle. Systematics. Systema means systematic arrangement of living organisms. Term systematics given by Carolus Linnaeus. Systematic deals with study of evolutionary relationship, that is phylogeny of organisms, along with taxonomy. Taxonomy. It deals with principles, rules, and procedures for classification of living organisms into scientifically made categories. There are four broad steps in taxonomy. Number one, characterization. Number two, identification. Number three, nomenclature. Number four, classification. Characterization deals with study of characters of organisms. Based on characterization, taxonomy is of two types. Classical taxonomy deals with study of morphology, that is external characters of living organisms. Modern taxonomy deals with study of morphology, that is external characters, as well as anatomy, that is internal characters, ultrastructure of cell, embryology, that is development of organisms, and ecological features. Identification. Based on characterization, a known organism is identified. For example, there are three different organisms or species, that is X, Y, and Z. Now, a known organism T, after characterization, is matched up with X, Y, and Z species. If T organism resembles to any of X, Y, and Z, then T becomes member of already known either X or Y or Z. If T organism does not show any similarity with X, Y, or Z, then T is newly discovered organism or new organism. Nomenclature. Naming of the organism, giving universally accepted single scientific name to the organism. Vernacular name. It represents local name given by local people, which changes from place to place, country to country. For example, rose in Hindi called gulab and in Bengali called golab. Sweet potato, also called ratalu in Marathi, also called meetha aloo, sakarkandi, etc. Scientific name given by scientists represents single universally accepted name, does not change at all. For animals, it is called zoological name, and for plants, it is called botanical name. Widely accepted scientific name is given by scientist Carolus Linnaeus, father of taxonomy, called as binomial nomenclature. Binomial nomenclature. Principles and rules for binomial nomenclature given in 1751 by Carolus Linnaeus in book Philosophica Botanica, but no nomenclature of organism mentioned in this book. For the first time, 1st May 1753, nomenclature of 5900 plants given in 10th edition of book Species Plantarum, and 1st August 1758, nomenclature of 4236 animals published in 10th edition of book Systema Naturae. Binomial nomenclature. Name of organisms which is not based on binomial nomenclature called as invalid name. Later on, binomial nomenclature system was revised and divided into 5 codes. Number 1, ICBN 1961, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature for plants naming. Number 2, ICZN, International Code of Zoological Nomenclature for animals naming. Number 3, ICNCP, International Code of Nomenclature of cultivated plants. Number 4, ICNB, International Code of Nomenclature of bacteria. Number 5, ICVCN, International Code of Virus Classification and Nomenclature. Rules of binomial nomenclature according to IUBN revised form. Number 1, each organism or plant must have single scientific name. Number 2, scientific name consists of 2 words. First word, genus or generic name. Second word, species or specific epithet. Number 3, scientific name must be in Latin or Greek language irrespective of origin of organism. Number 4, first letter of generic name written in capital and first letter of species name written in small. Number 5, if handwritten, genus and species name underlined separately. Number 6, if printed in italics. In binomial nomenclature, after scientific name, that is after species name, name of the scientist or discoverer written in abbreviated form. Name of scientist is written in Roman and is not underlined. From herbarium seed related to the organism is placed in herbarium. For example, mango, Mangifera indica, Linn. According to ICBN, there is no tautonym name present in plants. Tautonym is found in animal nomenclature. Tautonym represents scientific name in which both genus name and species name are similar. For example, Naja, Naja, Indian cobra. Rattus, Rattus, Indian rat. Principle of priority. Most important rule of ICBN. According to this, if 2 different scientific names are given to single organism, then the scientific name given first is considered as valid name and other scientific name given later called as synonym name. scientific names of plants given before 1753 considered as invalid names. For example, rust fungi, Albugo candidus, valid name, Cystopus candida, synonym name. Trinomial nomenclature given by Lamarck. There are three words in scientific name. First word genus name, second word species name, third word subspecies name in animals, variety name in plants. For example, Brassica oleracea variety capitata, that is cabbage. Carvus splendens, that is Indian crow. Gorilla, that is gorilla. Acacia nilotica, that is babool. Autonym represents scientific name in which both species and subspecies name or variety name are similar. For example, Carvus splendens, that is crow. Homo sapiens, that is human. Gorilla, that is gorilla, represents both tautonym and autonym. Homonym represents single scientific name given to two different plants or organisms. For example, Prunus dulcis, scientific name given to almond and plum. Later on, Prunus dulcis represent almond, Prunus domestica represent plum. Types of systematics: classical or descriptive systematic. It is study of taxonomy with reference to morphological characters together with phylogeny. New systematics, also called neo-systematics, also called biosystematics, given by Julian Huxley. It is study of taxonomy with reference to morphology, anatomy, genetics, cytology, phytochemistry, ecology with phylogeny. Phylogeny, study of evolutionary relationship or ancestral history of organisms. Ontogeny, study of life history of organisms. Classification, it deals with classifying or grouping of different organisms based on affinities, that is similarities and dissimilarities, into different scientifically made categories. Taxonomical category. During classification, organisms are placed into different groups or ranks based on their similarities and dissimilarities, called as taxonomic categories. There are several taxonomic categories which together called as taxonomic hierarchy. In taxonomic hierarchy, each category is called as unit of classification, obligate or broad or basic category. All the plants must be placed or grouped into obligate category. There are 7 obligate categories. Intermediate or facultative categories. Placing the plants into these categories is not so important. There are 21 intermediate categories, also called subcategories. 7 obligate categories. Keep pots clean or family gets sick. Kingdom, highest or largest category. Phylum in animals, division in plants. Class, order, family, genus, species, smallest or lowest category. Species, lowest category of taxonomic hierarchy, represents basic unit of classification. Species is group of biologically, genetically, and morphologically similar individuals or organisms or population which closely resemble in all aspects like shape, size, color, etc. Species represents group of organisms which can naturally interbreed among themselves to produce fertile offsprings of similar kind. Biological concept of species. Widely accepted concept given by Ernst Mayr. According to Ernst Mayr, species can be defined as group of freely or naturally interbreeding organisms that produce fertile offsprings of same kind and are reproductively isolated from such other group. Term species given by John Ray. Species represents genetically closed group or system. Biological concept of species is not applicable to asexually reproducing organisms like bacteria, higher plants performing vegetative propagation, and also not applicable to hybrid organisms. For example, mule crossbreed of male donkey and female horse, hinny crossbreed of female donkey and male horse, liger crossbreed of male lion and female tiger, tigon crossbreed of female lion and male tiger. Types of species based on geographical area. Allopatric species, different species living in different geographical areas. Sympatric species, different species living in same geographical area. Parapatric species, different species living in adjacent areas. Types of species based on time period. Synchronic species, two different species living in same time period. For example, dinosaur and fern. Allochronic species, two different species living in different time periods. For example, dinosaur and angiosperm. Monotypic species, species is not further divided in subspecies or variety. For example, Rosa indica. Polytypic species, species further divided into subspecies or variety. For example, Brassica oleracea variety capitata, that is cabbage. Genus, group of different species showing maximum characters similar but having less characters common as compared to species of other genus. For example, potato, brinjal, makoi species belongs to genus Solanum. Lion, tiger, panther species belongs to genus Panthera. Family, group of different genera showing still many characters common together form a family. Family is basically based on sexual or floral characters. For example, genus Panthera and Felis, that is cat, belong to family Felidae. Genus Solanum, Petunia and Datura together form Solanaceae family. Order, group of different families having many characters similar. For example, family Solanaceae and Convolvulaceae belong to order Polymoniales. Cat and dog families belongs to order Carnivora. Class represents group of different orders. For example, order Carnivora and Primata, that is gorilla, chimpanzee, human, belong to class Mammalia. Order Polymoniales and Rosales belong to class Dicotyledonii. बॉटनी इन शॉर्ट में आपका स्वागत है। तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। फाइलम और डिवीजन, ग्रुप ऑफ डिफरेंट क्लासेस। फॉर एग्जाम्पल क्लास पाइसेस, एम्फीबिया, रेप्टिलिया, एप्स एंड मैमेलिया belong to phylum Chordata. Class Dicotyledonii and Monocotyledonii belong to division Angiosperm. Kingdom, group of different divisions or phylums showing few characters similar. For example, phylum Arthropoda, Mollusca, Annelida, Echinodermata, Chordata belong to kingdom Animalia. Division Bryophyta, Pteridophyta, Gymnosperm, Angiosperm belong to kingdom Plantae. When we move from species towards kingdom, number of similar characters and specificity decreases, whereas number or variety of organisms increases. When we move from kingdom towards species, number of similar characters and specificity increases, whereas number or varieties of organisms decreases. Species is that category which actually deals with real organisms. Category suffix. Division phyta. For example, Thallophyta, Bryophyta. Class Physae, for example, Chlorophysae, Phaeophysae. Opsida, for example, Bryopsida, Nitopsida. NAE, for example, Dicotyledonii, Monocotyledonii. Order Ales, for example, Polymoniales, Rosales, Malvaceae. Family ACEAE, for example, Fabaceae, Solanaceae, Liliaceae. Taxonomical categories given by Linnaeus are class, order, genus, species, variety. Later on, variety excluded from obligate category and 3 other categories are introduced, that is kingdom, division, family. Intermediate categories. There are 21 intermediate categories. For example, super kingdom, sub kingdom, super division, subdivision, superclass, subclass, etc. Infra categories. Category that is present below species level. For example, subspecies, variety. Cohort, a category present between class and order. Tribe, a category present between subfamily and genus. Term division given by Eichler. Term class and order given by Linnaeus. Term species given by John Ray. Monotypic genus, genus having single species only. For example, Homo sapiens. Polytypic genus, genus having more than one species. For example, Solanum includes Tuberosum, Melongena, nigrum. Genus Panthera includes Leo, Tigris, Pardus. Genus Canis includes Familiaris, Lupus, Aureus. Taxon, plural taxa. Category. Taxon deals with real object. Category deals with ranks. Taxon, it is real term. Category, it is man-made term. It is abstract term. Taxon, at a given time, taxon can be related with several categories or ranks. At a given time, category remain constant. For example, mammals, reptiles, insects, grass. For example, division, class, order, family.